2025 Nissan Z NISMO with a straight pipe, unleashing raw performance and aggression. The 2025 Nissan Z NISMO represents the pinnacle of Nissan's performance engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with the rich heritage of the Z lineup. For enthusiasts looking to push the boundaries even further, installing a straight pipe exhaust system on the Z NISMO transforms the driving experience into something truly exhilarating. This modification, while controversial in some circles, is a popular choice for those who crave an unfiltered connection between the car and its driver. What is a straight pipe exhaust? A straight pipe exhaust system is a type of aftermarket modification where the exhaust gases flow directly from the engine to the tailpipe with minimal restriction. Unlike the stock exhaust, which often includes mufflers, catalytic converters, and resonators to reduce noise and emissions, a straight pipe eliminates these components. The result is a significant increase in exhaust sound, reduced weight, and potentially more power. The sound of pure performance. One of the most dramatic changes that comes with installing a straight pipe on the 2025 Nissan Z NISMO is the sound. The standard NISMO exhaust is already aggressive, but a straight pipe amplifies this by several orders of magnitude. When the engine fires up, the straight pipe produces a raw, thunderous roar that commands attention. This is not just a louder exhaust note, it's an uncensored expression of the car's power, with every rev and gear shift producing a visceral auditory experience. At idle, the straight pipe exhaust emits a deep, menacing rumble that hints at the performance potential lying within. As the driver presses the throttle, the exhaust note becomes a savage scream, especially as the engine nears its redline. For many, this sound is the ultimate expression of performance, a pure, unfiltered connection to the car's high-revving V6 engine. Performance gains. Beyond the auditory experience, a straight pipe exhaust can also offer performance benefits. By eliminating the restrictions found in the factory exhaust system, the engine can expel exhaust gases more efficiently. This reduction in back pressure can lead to an increase in horsepower and torque, particularly at higher RPMs. The engine can rev more freely, resulting in quicker acceleration and a more responsive throttle.